Once upon a time, a young and inquisitive boy by the name of Sam lived in a lush green forest hidden deep within the center of a calm valley. Sam loved to spend his days discovering the beauties of the forest and had a compassionate heart. From the sage-old owl to the cunning squirrel, he had developed friendships with every animal that lived in the forest, but Polly, a colorful parrot, was Sam's most treasured companion. All the colors of the rainbow could be seen in Polly's bright feathers, and her vivacious demeanor complemented her appearance well. She was a talker, often regaling Sam with tales of her exploits and cracking jokes. Sam made the decision to go on an adventure with Polly one bright morning. They ventured farther than they had ever gone before, wandering deep into the forest. They happened onto a secret glade where a bubbling creek ran joyfully over smooth pebbles, and the air was scented with lovely wildflowers. They heard a faint scream for aid as they were taking in the glade's splendor. Following the sound, they came across a terrified rabbit who had become stuck in a thorny shrub. Sam jumped in to assist, gently removing the small critter from the thorns. The appreciative rabbit identified herself as Rosie and stated that a cunning fox had been pursuing her. Sam and Polly made the decision to make sure Rosie was safe by escorting her back to her burrow. Sam was pushing Rosie on his shoulder as they walked together, while Polly was offering words of support. Other creatures in need were encountered along the journey. Even a fish struggling in a drying pool, a small bird with a broken wing, and a lost raccoon baby. Every time, Sam and Polly paused to provide a hand, using their generosity and resourcefulness to do so. Sam, Polly, and Rosie developed into a group of animal rescuers as the day went on. They rescued creatures of different sizes, with feathers and fur, from a variety of situations. The animals of the forest were appreciative of their assistance, and news of the courageous youngster and his parrot buddy who came to the rescue spread swiftly. They eventually made it back to their forest home as the sun set, exhausted but happy. The animals of the forest gathered together to show their appreciation. Sam and Polly, today you have shown us the true meaning of kindness and compassion, said the wise old owl sitting high in a tree. You have shown us that doing good deeds for people who are in need, no matter how modest or unique their needs may be. Sam added with a smile, we're just happy to help our friends. With a slight grin, Polly continued, and we've learned that adventures are more meaningful when we share them with others. After that, Sam, Polly, and their animal companions explored the forest together, always prepared to assist others in need. As they met new people and overcame difficulties, their journeys became even more thrilling. Thus, a relationship between a young kid, a parrot, and a variety of species flourished in that wonderful forest, serving as a reminder to everyone present that kindness, compassion, and cohesion can make the world a better place for all.